All right, this next song is called Big Blue Truck. And yeah, thank you. This is about a buddy of mine, Tim Kendall, I grew up with. He was first in my gang, my group that I grew up with that passed away, that moved on. So here's for Timmy. Blue truck, never saw it coming. Think about you often. Can't believe you drove off. Big blue truck, you were there for me. You heard all my pain, and you heard me. For that I thank you. Big blue truck, coming around to pick us up. Where we going? Where we going? It doesn't matter. We're going somewhere. We're going somewhere. Not here forever. I think you know, you are out there, we are with us, Broncos, Jets. Sometimes it's hard as fuck. Thought we'd live forever. You're still with us, Broncos, Jets. Big blue truck, coming around to pick us up. Where we going?